Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can book chartered train in India. You might have heard of chartered flight, but you might not have known that you can book a complete train in India. I'll show you the process and the rules behind it. Okay, so you come to this website indianrail.gov.in. Here it gives the terms and conditions for full tariff rate FTR registration. So it's run for pilot in India. So online booking for FTR is on a pilot basis, and currently booking is allowed for journeys starting from stations of Western Railway only. So if you are in Southern Railway, you cannot book it. So the booking process, FTR registration can be done either on IRCTC website. There is a dedicated website for that. You need to have a separate credentials for that. The normal one didn't work. So it's called ftr.irctc.co.in, or you can do it on the UTS counter of journey on the commencing station. So booking period FTR registration can be done maximum 6 months in advance and minimum 30 days prior to journey date. Again, the payment realization is done on IRCTC website, where just like after submission of the request, party will get a reference number and a registration amount to be paid. So party has to pay the registration amount against the provided reference number to get the FTR number. So there is a booking amount also that is applicable. So the permissible number of coaches, that is coach booking, party can book maximum 10 coaches of coach or the coaches on the FTR train. So for the entire train booking, party can book maximum 24 coaches in the FTR train, including sleeper SLR coaches, which are mandatory. So the registration amount is coach booking. For coach booking, registration amount for booking of a coach up to 7 days of tour journey period is rupees 50,000 per coach. Beyond 7 days of tour journey period, additional rupees 10,000 per day per coach will be payable and added in the registration amount. Okay, so if you are looking for the cost, registration amount for booking in of a train is amount of minimum of 18 coaches, including 2 SLR coaches, and up to 7 days tour journey period is around 9 lakh. So beyond 18 passenger coaches, additional rupees 50,000 per coach will be charged. For tour period between 7 days, additional 10,000 per day per coach will be added in the registration amount. So that is how it works. So this is all the trains where this FTR service is applicable. These are the trains, mostly you will see all the Western Railway only, where you can book these trains. So this is the portal. So if you look at it, this, the banner that is going on, Railway has restricted booking of FTR coaches during holiday season such as Holi, Diwali, because they might need train for catering to the public needs. So you see this banner that is going on in the top. Otherwise, if you want to book it for a wedding, or if you want to go on a big corporate trip, so in that cases you can book a charter train. So this is the entire train charter, this is the coach charter, and this is the saloon charter. Username, and then book the ticket. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.